Welcome to this session on classes and objects. We assume that you have gone through and understood the topic programming paradigms. This will help you in better understanding of this topic. In this session, we will discuss the concept of classes and objects. An object represents a real-world entity. Example, customer. A class is a software design that describes the common attributes and activities of objects. The attributes represent the properties of the object. For example, a customer object may have customer ID, name, telephone number, etc. The activities represent the actions exhibited by the object to the external world. For example, the customer purchases items from the retail store represents an activity performed by the customer. Class represents a blueprint which is realized with the help of objects. Observe a customer object and its attributes. The classes are represented using class diagrams. A class diagram is a rectangular box with 3 compartments. The first compartment holds the class name. The second compartment holds the attributes represented as variables. And the third compartment holds the activities represented as methods. In the illustration shown earlier, customer can be represented as a class. Observe the class diagram for the customer class. Let us discuss about objects in more detail. Objects are instances of the class. Objects have state, that is, the values held by the attributes, identity through which they can be uniquely identified, and behavior that they exhibit to the external world. In an object-oriented programming language like Java, objects are created with the help of the new operator. We will learn about this in future sessions. Observe 2 customer objects which are instances of customer class. Each of these objects has state. For example, object 1 has customer ID 1001 and object 2 has customer ID 1002. They can be uniquely identified and both the customer may purchase, that is, exhibit the activity. Thus, a class is a blueprint and the object its implementation. In this session, we have covered the concept of class and its representation, the concept of object and its properties. You can refer to the exercises provided in the lab guide under the classes and objects section. Solving these would help understand the concepts better.